Hi dear friends, today I'm going to show you how to embroider a bucket hat. I made this bucket hat and I thought it would look nice if I add something on it, and I think it turned out pretty good. The only thing, the color blend too much. I should add like a gold, even a white or black color, but it turned out good. The list of materials is going to be in the description box. Let's get started. I'm going to be using tearaway stabilizer, and the link is going to be in the description box. And I'm going to use tearaway because my hat is made with denim, so it's kind of thick, so I can afford to use tearaway. I'm going to get my bucket hat and I'm going to fold it in half so I can find the center. And I'm just going to use my pen. This is a washable pen, so we just want to mark the center. So it's going to be right here. We are going to make our markings. This is my center. We want to add some adhesive. And we are going to fix our hat. We are going to place it right here. That's the center. Okay, that will be the center. We're gonna make sure we want the same space in this area right here. Kind of ensure that it's going to be straight. I think that looks pretty good. So just because I don't want it to move, I'm going to add some pin. I'm gonna add one right here. So now what we're gonna do is we are going to go to our sewing machine. I'm gonna be using purple thread because I want purple threads. There you go. Okay, I got my design and I gotta flip it. Okay, I got it correct. So I'm gonna bring it all the way down. And we're gonna see where I would say it's about right. I'm just going to bring it a little bit down. I think that'll be perfect right there, so let's give it a shot. So we're gonna start our project, so let's see how it goes. We are done, so let's get it out of the machine and see how it turned out. Okay, so we're gonna get the pins off. And we are going to just take it off. We're just gonna pull it off really careful. And there you have it. I think I could have used a different color thread. It's decent. As you can see, like the fabric, it's nice. It's not like pocketing. But the other thing, I think we could afford to make the letters a little bit bigger. But it's really cool. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope it was easy to follow along. If you like my videos, please leave me comments, share my videos with your friends, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Until next time, thank you.